Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you have received the multiple sales report like January, February, March, April, May, June, July into the one Excel file and needed to combine those separate files into the one worksheet with the manually effort. But today I will show you how to combine all the separate Excel file into the one worksheet using Power Query with the automation level. So without any waste of the time, I will show you how to do that. So guys, this is the Excel workbook which are having multiple sales report like April, Jan, May, Feb and March 24. These sales data for the 23 and 24. So we received these files from multiple source of concerned person and needed to combine all these separate files into one worksheet. How to do that? Using the Power Query and create the automate worksheet and create the pivot tables for the analysis of the salesperson wise sales, customer wise and region wise sales. So how to do that? Let's begin. One, click on the cell button and create the control T is the table format. So I convert this workbook into the table format and the table name is Jan 24 and the table name is Jan 24, right? And the second table is control T and the table name is Fab underscore 24. Similarly, all files convert into the table format. March 24 and then April 24 and the May 24. Now we need to combine into the one worksheet and create the automate worksheet using Power Query. So click on the Power Query tab, get from data, concern from table. If you are using the Microsoft 365, you can click on the any cells button. This is the query and close and load to button. Click on the only create correction, load. Similarly, fab, data tab from table, close and load to button. Only create correction, load. May from table, close and load to button, close and load. Only create connection, load. 24, close and load to button. Only create connection, load. May 24, close and load to button and load. So friends, once you all file inserted in the Power Query editor, then create the data, clean and transform into the Power Query editor. So how to do that? Click on the Jan one and all data should be from right format and click on the Fab one. It's okay. Similarly, March 24 and the date format is date format. Click on the date format. Now go to April 24. Date format is the date format. Now go to right. Now click on the May month and transform the data static date, month and name of the month. May 24. Similarly, April date tab, month, name of the month. March 24 date tab, month and name of the month. Feb, go to date tab, month and name of the month. Click on the Jan 24, date tab, month and name of the month. So all criteria have been fulfilled in the all worksheet. And one thing you remember is all the heading should be same in the every worksheet. So how to append the data into the one worksheet? Click on the home tab button and click on the append queries as new. Click on the three or more table Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Then okay and see magic. All the worksheets have been combined into the one worksheet. One thing happened, name of the months. If this is available in Jan 24. One error in the name of the month. How to do that? Right click, remove this column, go back to the append query and here is the transform the data and remove the column in the append query. And now I put the name of this query, combined sales report. Right. Once you completed all the fields in the Power Query editor, click on the home tab and click on the close and load button to create connection. Add this data to the data model because if you don't understand Power Pivot table, you can uncheck add this data to the data model. So click on the tab table button, load to and all the worksheet data within a few minutes into the one worksheet. This is the magic. If you This is the automatic worksheet. If you So guys, once you created the automated Excel file, you can create now pivot table to analysis the salesperson wise, region wise, and customer wise total cost. How to create? Click on the pivot table button and click the compare new sheet, data view, grid lines uncheck. Salesperson is the row side and total cost. Right now, the salesperson is customer wise and now region wise. All data have been completed to the presentable value. So click on the slicer button, go to pivot table, analyze, and click on the slicer button. Month. This is the month, right? Sales person, total item cost, customer name, total item cost, and reason, total item cost. Okay, now heading name is sales person wise summary, customer wise summary, and the reason wise summary. Okay, this is the analysis of the automated worksheet. Now name, right click on the pivot table button and pivot table option 0. This table name is sales person summary. You can create yours as you wish. This table name is customer wise summary and right click on this third table 0 region wise summary. Now OK button. Click on the slicer button. Report connection OK. All the tables connection with this slicer. Now click on the Jan month. My Jan month total is salesperson wise 286, customer wise this, and the region wise this. And if I click on the Feb month, if I click on the March month, and if I click on the April. Now summary. Once you delete one line items in the Jan 24. Let's say if I click on this month, this total is Jan month 286 172. All goes in this file. Just cut this row and click on the refresh button. Click on the summary table and just refresh. This is the plan. If I click on this table and right click on the delete this cell, click on the refresh to all button and refresh this button. Now if you click on the Jan month, you can check the 283 159. But previously the total amount of the item cost is 286. If I select this item 283 159 and add these two line items into the this total and all the total sum is 286 172. Now next month file arising received from any user and Jan month added in the line item into the Jan 24. Now add this line item into the this column and click on the refresh button into the automatic worksheet. Click on the summary table and refresh all. Now the total is 286 172 as previous. You can see that. So this is the magical tool of the automated worksheet without manual effort and time saving. Save the hours manually work and 100% accuracy with the report. So guys, if you like this video, if you found this video will help you, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and share with your colleagues and friends so that this could be help with this with their work. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in next video. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.